Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can reduce or remove audio noise from your audio on CapCut. For that, if you are using CapCut as a video editor, then you can reduce or remove noise in your audio by using this CapCut tool. For that, just open your CapCut app on your mobile phone. When you open it, just select any video that you want to edit. That's why I will select any video. I will click on this new project, select any video. Let's suppose I have selected this video. Now when you upload video in your CapCut app, just click on this video. When you click on video, now scroll down the below option. You will see the option called reduce noise. Here you can see an option called reduce noise. Click on this reduce noise and just enable this. When you enable this, here you can see reducing noise. Now your voice is reducing by CapCut. So after reducing this noise, when you play your audio, you will see clear difference before and after reducing noise. So this is the way how you can reduce noise in a very simple way on CapCut app.